tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling.
I said when all else fails, just clip it up like so. If you see me out there in the world looking like this, mind your business. Let me spin you around. Oh my god, this room is so messy. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Let me show you what I bought. Oh my god, you're gonna die when you see these. How cute are these? Oh my god. I don't want to say the C word right now, but you know that main event in December. Stockings, and they're the most gorgeous, thick, cable knitted, neutral. I am neutral mad, if you didn't know that already. If you're new around here, click the subscribe button for more beige tones. And yeah, and they're gonna go hanging on these hooks behind me in this little boot room because they're socks. Oh my god, how nice. I've been planning my C word shelfie, which goes above this. You can't really see it there, but it's above these hooks. And then I've been planning all sorts as well. I've been planning a little Christmas tree in the hallway. What else? There's so much to do. I can't even think. It's too early in the morning. Like, let's go make a coffee and some breakfast, and then we need to go to Aldi, and then we need to just get the day started. Boo. I have been loving granola at the moment. Granola, blueberries, honey flavoured Greek yogurt, and I've just been having it every single day. How cute. Finally bought some sunflowers. These are just the epitome of autumn, if you ask me. I love that. Where are we going to put them? Oh gosh, I wonder why it were cold. The fridge is wide open. Ta-da! I don't know, I don't think it quite looks right on there, does it? No, I'm going to pop them back in the lounge. pretty. Hotel Collection Rose Noir. I hope it smells good. There wasn't a tester available. And I'm going to pop it. I like to pop these reed diffusers as well. A few drops in my electric reed diffuser. And oh my god, it is so nice. It's quite nice. I wouldn't say it's an autumnal smell, but it's really quite nice. The fridge is still open. Yes. Ooh. Camera. I got it on camera. Right, Joelle, be careful.
No, I told you that step wasn't.
Did you see that man who acting like a chihuahua was gonna like maul him to death? He was acting like the chihuahua was a pit bull. Let's go this way. Come on, boo.
Is that a boat?
How nice.
Got cobweb as well.
Oh my god, yeah. Look, I see a spider on the tree. The most beautiful horse I've ever seen.
Is that a potato?
How nice is it in these trees? I think they're my favourite trees of all time. They're like something out of a fairy tale. Delivery! So I ordered these farmhouse wooden beads style of napkin rings from Amazon Prime, and I'll link them in the description box down below, but I just think they're absolutely beautiful. And I've not got any napkins yet. I haven't found any that I like, but I had to get these beads. They actually came with 2 sets. Like, I only wanted the first set, but they came with these ones as well, and I don't like these ones as much. But knowing me, you know that I will find a use for these ones. So yeah, these are for a tablescape coming up this week. Guys, we have the tiredest little boy. You are the tiredest little boy in the whole wide world. And I love you so much. How cute is he? Cozy time with mummy. Cozy time with mummy. And it is Wednesday Club, hashtag Wednesday Club, which is mine and my daughter's date day. So I don't normally film on a Wednesday, but I'm waiting for her to finish her online lessons. So in the meantime, I wanted to film because I'm going to be setting up a little tablescape today. It's not necessarily a Halloween tablescape, but I said on my Instagram stories last night that I might do a Thanksgiving dinner. So I wanted to play around with some table decor and some tablescapes while I'm waiting for Joelle to finish her online lessons. And also we've got a scrummy yummy, and I can't wait for it, recipe to make today. So I'll share that with you as well.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I.
So like I said, we're just gonna play around with this setup at the moment. I do need some linen for the table. This is a linen curtain that I'm using. Ha ha ha. But obviously until we get the real thing, we're just going to play around with how it's going to look. I do like a sheer linen kind of fabric, because, or even like a voile style material, because I just think that the softer the better when it comes to tablecloths like this. This is what I love, like a runner style. I did see a Ralph Lauren one in TK Maxx, and that's linen, but it's really thick and it's just not what I want. So for the centerpiece, I've gone for candlesticks, because these are old candlesticks, glass ones, and I've painted them in, what did I paint them in? Elephant's Breath, Farrow and Ball. White candles, because you know my love of white. I love these style of candles because they scream dinner table to me, so it's definitely a dinner table with these candles there. And then I've gone for these gorgeous tree bark candles from Home Sense as well, just to balance out the table. Now I could pop some more things along that runner for decoration, maybe some more pumpkins, some little ones, and make a bit of a like a longer centerpiece, bringing it out. But I just think less is more, in my opinion, and I'd rather just stick to the whites and the floaty materials and the glass. These dinner plates, I really love them. There are everyday dinner plates, but I do wish now that I've chosen some white ones. But when it comes to making tablescapes like this and having and setting the table, which I plan to do quite a lot in this kitchen and for our family dinners, but yeah, I'm going to start collecting some nicer crockery for the table, and I do want some really nice ones, so I'm just going to stick with what I've got for now, and I'll swap them out when I find the right ones. Let me pop this to one side. These I absolutely love. We picked these up from Dunelm, and they are like natural woven placemats. I just think they look really, really good for my style of kitchen. And I do like some on the White Company as well. I'll pop them on the screen for you now, which I might grab a hold of. Do you want to be creating like a layered look, apparently? So then you want some charger plates. Like I said, this is part of a set that I already own. I do like the beaded edge ones, and I have seen some glass ones on Amazon too. I'll pop them on the screen that I've got my eye on, which would work really nice actually, because the glass ones you can see through, so you'll be able to see the jute but still have the plate, if that makes sense. Then you want to layer up with, now it depends what kind of dinner you're hosting. Mine's a soup for today, so I've gone for a soup dish on top, or you could go for a flatter style of dish, or however, just play around and see how it looks. Obviously this time we're going to put pumpkins in. I saw this done on Pinterest and it was so beautiful, so beautiful, with the pumpkins in there. These are real pumpkins. These are called munchkins actually. They are ghost pumpkins, and they are from Lidl, and I think they're 99p each. But you've got to be quick because they go really fast. I was waiting for them this year. Then we've got knives and forks. These are straight out the dishwasher. They've got watermarks on, unfortunately. So you would obviously polish them up. And we've gone for a knife, fork and a spoon. And I know that this isn't the way you do it.
All I know is where I'm from, you might need a fork, a knife and a spoon, so that's what I've given you today. And also, if all else fails, there is such things as forks.
We got these as a wedding present. We actually requested no one get us anything for our wedding, like gift-wise, because we've actually got everything and we didn't want anything to be wasted. So, but somebody got us these anyway, and at first I really didn't like them. They were just in a box, a case of glasses, crystal glasses. But do you know what? Both me and Ash love these glasses so much. If we're having a bottle of wine, we always get these out because they're just our wedding glasses and we just love them. And now I do want all my glasses to be this crystal looking ones. Like you can get drinking glasses, just not just whiskey glasses or wine glasses. You can actually get drinking glasses that look like this now. They are quite expensive, the ones I've seen, but I will start to feed them into my kitchen at some point. There's always something else to be getting first, guys, but I think that's it. So shall we light the candles? We're meant to be going pumpkin picking today, but I don't know if Joelle wants to still go. We'll see when she's finished her lessons. But basically, that's my tablescape done, and Joelle will be pleasantly surprised when I pick her up. And we're gonna get all the ingredients ready now for my spicy tomato and basil soup. I don't know if that's the actual name of it. It's the Jamie Oliver recipe, and I love Jamie Oliver, if you didn't already know. Yeah, like he's my favourite chef. And I'll link the recipe in the description box down below for you guys anyway. But let's get the ingredients ready. So we've got baked fresh rolls where we're going to bake them in the oven. Obviously olive oil. I've got some olive oil and sea salt croutons. Obviously some cherry tomatoes. I've also got plum tomatoes because I love the taste of plum tomatoes. Obviously garlic. Obviously obviously chili, some paprika, an onion, a large onion, and I've got some fresh basil. And yeah, we're gonna just like roast a lot of this and then blitz it up into a soup.